to deal with body odor, mouth odor, and private part odor.
And my young yen shed that man when the DSM and 10 yen.
Makami me a jamida.
Ka abaya dear. Wasem kwa ho I said take you by 4 minutes to 5 minutes.
When you come home, we've all bathed in the house. Why have you not bathed that you are coming to sleep on the bed and enter your room?
Nanumu Nkano Enkoye Ntiboso no. Because you say me dey me tell them fear no.
Me some brands be honoma. Me use engine.
Self-examination very important.
Who's my saw ba una say want to be ankanche ba na just say ukwana just say dia on door ba.
Yes.
When I'm kankan enumuka ayaseka nkakakaye.
Oh, the other behind it, I just say my friend for no. I do promotion kono. Get we be ready. Friend, I be one that baby miss me that baby catching. Come see Jimmy on camp na mayo. Mama kana mayo. Although you used to keep on probably free apprentium, but sister Nana. Not my former party.
And August.
Yes.
Where's my rapper?
Hey. And
Oh, that be says remember that in the absence of anything good, anything bad in the text. But now that the good is here, you forget about the rest. I rest my case.
Wow.
Nana, who do you get to agada and say rapper?
I got them names again still of very music. I want some pen once a rapper on pen once a movie that.
Yes.
My rap me uncle. Oh.
Okay, Michelle, baby. Your friend a breathy. Pretty lady, would you be my baby? Let's go on the shopping spree to Hillbridge. Young Quebri. So me sa na di mechi. Na me sure be a urenfi. And I look in your eye, I can see through. And the words from my heart, nothing's but the truth. Lifesaver, let me save you. When I see
on
you,
the phone or on the computer. On the phone or in your heart.
In my heart.
Wow. Leave me alone.
And then you see that Mimi say don't leave her alone.
And leave me alone. You know, say I'm Pepao. Go America. I wanted to do a remix on that song.
Wow, so we gotta do it.
Yeah,
it's
still not too late. Sister, my sister, Mimi, Metro,
Akwabinti, Monye. Ninointi,
I didn't know they were pure.
Excellency, Nino Mammy Huntono. Mimi favorite artist, you know. Or Tete,
Hey, I know, so leave me alone.
Leave me alone. I was I'm to Captain Planet for I'm to
I will change your name to my name, and that will be your claim to fame. The two of us go play the game. And said it, Mirafi.
Kafra.
And I'm a part.
Okay, and Mamma Shaw Bafa. Amani, Nana Ama McBrown. So I am a darling, when I'm Sadi, in Nantia Miss Ward, when I'm in heaven, and to me call Berlin, Malam Poyada, when I know to nature, or two patches, Gaman Chesse, a jacket, Shinka, Quali, Africa woman, Nana Warfare.
Media, when I am media saying, I also be a rap mamma, Memuna, Meadows, the Muna, and the Buffalo boat, you should
Where Arab money rap? Arab money rap.
What is what's baby?
Muna.
Every time, one of them now did agree. We say the dinkomo. And until you have my Ghana phone in our kwaba. Our backyard kitchen soap. I brought Shay and then come over that run a soap. Now, son, you bet me a dinkomo. Now, let go. Whew. Boy, I'm not going to abua for and crack to Embra. Yedi can't pass a dama one answer. Anne, high sense, everyday prices for everyday people. High sense, this every day. Why we need high sense, a dear back who of you know. Ebia now Bobo Susuano na better because we rain you, me boy. Anne, Sani eda holy mosquito coil and a holy insecticide spray for us say uma beta ye chiwa na obehia bi e wo gya de kai abrebia be no aduane awie nansa bia no oso otimi de bi fa cabinet na se esa se dura na dwa ho sent entefre inketwa na entefre ma no omu ofia oma ewo mu 2000 bomu no omu ji ofie fa orebe ho o chance kwa ho ndidim bio cause ombe ko ba bia nti spray omu no mu free ho but I made that syntax tank say and the syntax me dey won akodon e bi na ti yi utility drum yen na e bi wo chrome ba bi e ton syntax bi autoto bi we si adwade e si veranda mu e si ba bia nti bomodian na hwe syntax yeah strong yeah tough but my life I say my life and say my way ka say no way I was saying come on enie na sana no ye betwa enho aba ye ba ye de be hihye so
Martin, my show is my home. Oh, Papa Tofu, never so being here, scan. Now, only a scan here. Mama, Mrs. Yen, I come to Musa. My way so fast on every no. Sikefia, Michana Busumi Biano, as so fast on no. Before my pet, you know, mobile memoir, and it's so be a bomb about you. Maybe dinner, yena and fast.
I say, I bring me obey my way insurance no. What do boost your name up Pabako ebe sheso? Me treso free munkwadia. Ebe call moi. Na wana we hear my way insurance no dear. Yebe call moi abra wo ya de kwankro. Ya de anankwanhia ebubu agu a wo ye wo ho hwea enye. Impo wakoda yare sabia ebro namienu. Se wadi 18 ekopin 59 a wo apomudin a ubetumi abeka my way abusia no. For phone ne dial *165# ewo MTN so se sia. Sanye my way a ka say no way. I was after ye mo akwa aba backyard kitchen. And then come on ye besimu pain near can pain said ye tear. Your experience no on share my em. And come on in say how to deal with body odor, mouth odor, and private part odor. Because she'll be no sanquin she to say ya or sour how and to say ebi anana ni nan hoso but how can see pa how are you going to deal with that? What she odor for be now penal. And your mama somewhat. I was at and I mean, one about them. No. Or can't say it yet. I like her for that. A man 9 which or baba who was here. How are you going to deal with body odor, mouth odor, and also private part odor? So could share be now can answer.
Sir, I'm afraid engineer. When you bedroom pepe so be say afia na yasi funwi na motomu funwi ene ho na fen adolescent ho no na afi enka no sha say eba enti at sa adolescent age no ebra wodi be 13 sa 12 13 14 ho no ho na say yeni ekono ho na yema na ho siesie no ede ehia ye enti say eni ankoho na eto na saram sa adware de ye kire ade ba ko pepa nipa mu fi e adware enti adware ankasa hye da kire ena man ankasa so ye kire mu adware so oba de ukọ adware a eso nya botre na ohro wasese wie ni se enti se wan kira bofra no na wantumi anware yie na odene saa ekọ na obu ne nsa efa ho na okoba na afi enka no ebeka no ho
enti na do adolescent ye chiro say enu aba hanti ye shevi
sa enti wo hwe
na menses ye kipu ni say
sa
enu na ma mtika se kodwaye anopa
sa
anyumre no ase bisa wedai unya ye fa nko aye se kodwaye
utimi kodware ba na ka yo se wanware yie
ane na sa akọ
ba o ma me no nim de enti o ka kire wo ne se wanware yie no enti sa kodware bio cause o ko se dwaye ono within 5 minutes o se wadware wi aba and so o ma me hwe ne se nka abaya de wase nko ahohoro nko ano I say take you by 4 minutes to 5 minutes o ti ase enti se wa anya ne sa na udi nyini a na eya be ya oha abeka ho ana ebie nso ye nipa so ye gu ahodo obi oha afifreti no obi afifreti no wana ififreti wo mo pa no aya ififri ankasa no ede enka ebe nipa ho enti obi a otati ififre no ase uhu samna crowd be dware inku a ode besra ni nyina ade say woman hia o ene saa enka no ebeka ho ebi mu ho nso a amode no enye mfifire genetic
Kambeka
akombo bre no ho eno no ho asem ka no eden
okay
na just help us what you say binum de na born natural
sa eno no ye natural eno no
enye ma kwa o
Emma nyina nti eno wo ho genetic one wo ho ene meba behwe se de bedile no but before then no emema no emema so enkofo bi a ye fa adware tra ye was secondary school no rabna ni kana na ye hye yetimi shine the whole time
rabna ni kana ni dey
as a brown b into those days no ye na okumase no obekọ asuebo a
MiPROMO
na akwa salai na rabna mo amasusu ye susu dada na de ahyew
woni me rabna asuebo a
woni rabna
adult nine
ye ko was nyina se ho na yakwaje uniform ko form one nyina ye ko
it's kwada so sillion wo nti no question wo just offer rabna ho
esa kwada so de obi enimi so ye miss kwada so na
kwada so bibia
enti no atade ne ye hyema ne ye fia afi o the blade friend him say na o de yi fi na gu ho nsi o the blade film say no yi fi na
anini fu nti no
efi no ene efu no enti no emema ye nkofo bi a ye hyeda ma ho ne DSM entan hiayen eno ya de ba ko a ha adwen ena enwi ebon say yetini ya motomunwi ya yasinwi na yasinwi kwa de ene different because ho no ya hye nkataso bebre akataso enti emam fifre ni sentinel de ejina ho enti se wo nya daje wo ho obi wo ha 4 years ni onyi na yase
ade o de be we gara
baby obi wa ni nyine efu ana etete obi wa timi fu ana naturally na etete ne ade what you say me say those days I mean why na timi ko 3 years na timi ko 4 years
yeah that what you say
oh enti Odour ne de onipa bia potentially hu betimi abon
yeah that's
but I saw trouble now sie and you want mom de infection obi de infection no nya obi de diabetes obi de cancer ekuro se kuro aba wayase
wakasa pa
ebetime de enka aba nti there are so many ways enka na ebetime ade aba nipa ho but ye wo kwan e fa so treat ye baba
mate na yenyi yade emfrim na yemfa ne te say ababa wa brante amesi so na machia obi na ne ho nka ekwa me fa so kra na metumi afa so aka kire nipa no mehu se mepenasam ne nso wakasa mentumi ngina ho
Nekadion.
Nekadion.
So kan se Jack unia wonu mu bon ana hwini mu bon. Obi wo ho ane de no.
Ni hwini.
Obi
se hu obi ane hwini mu.
Hwini mu na bon ba wo hwa bedwin se anum. I dey say ye timi twa nsa kakre.
We sure say hwini mu.
Nana onim. Me hwe nsa.
Ye ododo mu ni ade.
Nana am twa de ye hwe nsa.
At the breath.
Aya na adwin se ye num na nsa no bon firi. Enti won say ya we PK ya we we ni we. Ohome a na eba.
Experiences
the akomu ana fermente enti we bi wo ho a why say me kwala don photo wo a betwa kakra otwa wi a bia watwe cigarette kakra onim ta hye a wahye ta kakra
any combination there
ana wa wiki bab any jeni wo de fesa de we now na be ya twa bi no ya twa bi kwa ne say obi twa bi jaw na obekasa ho a it so tablet
no so you try to say
what I say and say onum nsa onum cigarette o shita owe kebab ni jeni a ya so ma asitwie enum hohoro no e ya de betai de ehia obu an tirim okuro etirim kuro enso de ka eba
me da was pa what share beautiful thoughts I mean what could details pa ma nke benya kwa nke ense dan ka hebio but ye we ha e better tackle sadie because say wako share obi mimi oye wadan fukura oye unua oye ogel unua de fa yifi wetumi anka
boss adwuma mu
oye boss wo adwuma me ku na wa fra wo untumi nka ho o boss don't me nka
This only will be partner.
Okay.
Maybe as a woman, the boss and a girlfriend. And as a woman will be on
There's a girl
I'm not collaborating. I was so be a Ben on our party or boss that you can't. Unless also we try anonymous letter. Wait, much anonymous notes. Now they are sharing the I say one will be handwriting, don't mean detecting it by your
type. What that
type is simple. Now they are share baby, no, Obi Onimia or Troy.
Na mama mimi sama mo share bi da.
Nana Obebu ha ushia na se ono okacho se onpe fia no ayasa woti ase man.
Red card.
Otumi se ono se nanumu nkanka no enkoyi ntubo se ono a okacho se me de mempe obema fia no. So see eno sa no nana me feel say ope oba no na se ope na asem a obepe on a good day bia more happy mood bia je say emphasize nkomo no kura mo bon nkomo bia masresre kwa wa shada ka cha say odo se me ka asem bi kire o menim se ne obefa no but I say ha me ache but odo man kan che ona say one day ukopie na obi su ko hu sa de ne fa ho e bia no de akwakosere na akwakọ iye me ya entimpa cho wonu masa sense wonu
okay
nti me pacho me madam fu bi akasa ama wa kire me aduro wa kire me style wo sori anopa wo betime twi at least 3 times a day say aduro betime yi nka no efi wonu odo yen try no na yen what can in a nice way action
okay
but say who's my saw ba wona say want to be an kire ba na just say ukura na say dia on door ba yes because me feel say only oba hia na say door ba no na so pen na say dia fault and mistake in kebi one ho na so to me say enkan we metumi aboa ma nkan we akwa I say to me e kire no only ne bon komo e was sending oba defe one ko kan yi enso e bi kwan so e be same relationship no kra
but open asem no
open asem sister na make say so da like e kwan obe fast one obe kana e be nice way enyo no so one go kind nice way to sister obe ka say be man who say manu mo bon o call on baby but say we find the nice way na say o catch na say man who say o say was born so still me no e die make sense no me to say bit my home baby
nti try
home baby
na to say na say monis
me meti ase say ehun hia say meka
ehun hia say obeka
ehun hia say meka in the sense me maka bi da me ye ja me da maka bi me ye ja me da nya me ka chen say mate ade bi say but ankoyi amamenti wo de kokoto edro jiskada kokoto edro no say magu ni ma ase because ono hwe ne rank no wo no ne me rank am wa me che ne say rank dey say na mate no ohun say no because
what the motu no
I say my lesson ti
ware na no
ogina so di jam say o mi mbu ade o jam ya me ya but o bu ashelese
asese era so she shelese
it's me kwa ko te dro na mo na ma mo wa yusu ba asdan kanya me de me ne no entesa
nti ene watwam ho nti onyanko ono kra na montra no ana wa otimi koye experiment baby
David me koye experiment
obeye pa
na mimi saw yesi yenwa ya nopa ene anwumre right de no ho odwaya nopa dwaya anwumre so still enko
yeah enye
dware oh na ere
am ka say ebi mu ho a omo honam na nkasa no problem ho enti omo no omo kokko hu dermatologist and dermatologist no o metwa honam ne kakra no makọ hwehwe de wo bi abu na emmoa wa bi e won honam ne mu e na e cause sa sense
ebi mu de atwa blade pa
nana ebi no mo fa ho fe na
serious
I think say omo de ne yare no the way I'll be me catch any panel. Let me see. Only will be a relationship. For example, now person will catch her now. One of the formats I'll be to me using a say Se nipa ne ba ho na obeda wo nchen a, you bath together and you brush together. On can share.
Yeah.
So you just do it naturally. Like let's go take a bath together, blah blah. Maybe you just make it sexually. Maybe romantically. That's you rainbow.
Mimi, I don't know.
Maybe then we brush. And no panel so no. We do the same thing. If we continue here, not still scent ne wo you know say any cleanliness assembly it has moved to another level.
I don't know. Maybe I catch us. Man, be home level be a.
Na to jare level be
a. Say they na catch the say.
Na make can won ti.
But some go for na ya omo ye me ni udare bom a me ni won ware ye ntimi ntimi
udare bom.
No, say
then
me met you one that meet we knew ya.
Anya manyana ubetumi approach.
There be no be about what's the sense?
I
was say ultimate back for man to make us
exactly. And what's the point?
One fa a person so unconscious now. That's say this
is the way to panel and to me and take it format we are making now. Then in the first place you don't have any business being in a relationship with the person because are they simple say na wo camp yet now worry.
Mimi.
No, this is
goes also to Mimi. I won't be crying na mo na bia mo te ka mu anama ko baby e bi on kasa for a while we share na moto once or done no kasa gu na opese we see
you just share
then you realize that there's a gum in my bag
then you share
then you realize nicely you share then problem solved.
Nana it's not because nipa no will mouth although it is natural if you are yes all those things there's a chemical reaction that brings it out natural it's na nipa bia what some crown gum already in your bag you have your perfume you have your deodorant so unim san your man scientifically naturally obi a was san your man wo ne ho obi no different but it is how I will keep you there because if you don't talk for a long time wine unless you are Jesus Christ
bibi enuntina okomfeni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam o de beto nkremofuo nim se nkremofuo yi mummo 5 times a day
so that you can clean
bia you have to clean wonum wonan enti bia so we had 5 times a day
there's no way you
keep you healthy and fresh. And that's one thing about alwala and ablution apart from the spiritual way, the physical benefits, back where then.
I don't know.
And the view say ono ba na be ma ho na on kan mimi adwen say na ebu oso ne ye bom me from experience before me worry Jack when him say boy say aspro
what then you are sorry about
you are only nishia say utimine ni twitwi musibom se mo twitwi musiam a ese twitwi no bia nanim edo bia me matwitwi mesesa na menim se e so hye de nya time atwitwi tetchama so
yes yes
na menim
let me train me one two tetchama the sense to be there
ese metwi tetchama so no na mo university me hu se there be so bu a naturally no uni sa we no but me hu se I was saying, Ochiha, Oyaha, as an upper palate, what's in as to cheer,
yes,
never bring him into an extra or no Hana where we, but you have to take your time and do that.
So, if I didn't count, I sometimes we move to me a crew. And and no more. Because you're Jinana Kankai. Oh, and the American person just contributes to that.
It's part of it.
Because sometimes, Nipana Obenunsa and your Kasagu Sua, or Yem show, especially. I got to know a well condition.
But the issue, the Amokani, I mean, says it means expensive bit that.
Now, if I show, yen share, who come medically. Obi bet me a dear, and if you know, man,
yes, garlic and those things. Or more, who did it mean? Me come baby not get garlic. Meaning, say me go share me boy be, I mean, the garlic. Me go share. There are things I don't do if I'm going to meet my partner, my boyfriend be. Me the onions before. If I do, I have to brush. was so who san your man as a woman na bema who ko shall go so nim nyoma bi enye bibia as you grow no so experience who nyoma enye sade bi omo ko
ya pa when you choose
exactly if you am because boy bi wa asema to me you know
this open can be numgus
yes this
was also to bitters
you know we this me fa baby na me talk gam bin ennom way and all the time me I always have mouthwash in my car. You should be able to learn these things and keep maybe a impromptu connection we also make on my share gumenu pa
impromptu connection pa impromptu connection impromptu connection so na timi di ewu no
it was said
that you would di pa na wanante akokrom kakra na wakosia guy bi na wo so fa na advance no person o ye ade bi no
Mommy, Nana, can you transfer person? If you are one baby, you didn't plan that after here, this is where you are going. Yes. So when you come, you have to go. So as a woman, as a guy, you have your mouthwash in your car. You have your gum. You have your perfume. You have your...
And then you have a wife.
I mean, make pajama now sales. Make family wife in there. Make clinic to see our friends.
And one of the wives, is soft care.
Yes,
it is very soft on your private part.
Yes.
And it has that collar, infant.
Private part, and then my pill. Remember, you know.
Now, when you said, I did teach you for
come back.
I was so day or baby also in your wife.
Do you know toilet? Me, Sadia, no. I was cleaning with the dry one. You use that.
A man blow her on paper.
I will give you infection.
Yes, but the paper
I was all the question. It will go inside. You always have infection. Over solve this. I won't want the crop.
Nana, you want mass.
Nana, it all comes back to. I was so learning your maybe we are set others pick things. Let's say will show you jot it note like cleaning your butt. I was all the question. Would the bear anymore? Some of the physics enters your private. Yes,
that's how yeah. Because I am
mannequin craning volunteer cry. The patcho, we are Bama. On some way, would they mean your phone so? Washroom, what a sukuta phone. What on Saturday, we be baby, or can I sad a coffee? Your map debris, your memo, a horror debris. Yes, you will be no harm me pair oba because of the beauty. There was soon be who I'm sure by an answer penna.
Click that.
Me who it was about so me me selective me me let's our hips and the ties am on hypnotize.
Oh, that big that.
Hey, to my hip.
Because me dear so bad here. I think so dry. I am never do and never for backyard kitchen. You said you can and about how you can deal with someone who has body odor, private part odor, and mouth odor. I am a dangerous kakra. We go share some share. Obey a day. Mommy and Quabon saying, me and Jadrin Chelsea in fever. But that's
oh, your friend is citizen Akofa. But question we will be somebody a very, very, very sensitive. Sensitive saying because unim partner on no wo no way who say na obeka na obefele say na me hu funu wa na bibi na eba nti a afide wasa say keka nsem we try me ana nti unim partner wa steady na ahwe yetama ntokwa wo honum na wakoka afra ohun bibi sa no enye obetwen time a ohun se mumienu nyina makoma atomuyem no na wa pe kwan bi so aka untimi nkan so a watotototo ehun akade na oda so to washrooms na we encourage no oh yen take your evening bath yen brush your teeth yen say na wa pe the right nyoma ebema sa enkan nyina ayede akọ ebi mu honum a omunnim sa nyoma nyina isi so okofa obi sa na ohun se bibisi na ekoso a na onya botre na odi akere no say okay say ni any no say a doctor yare was on who dermatologist there was on who dentist na wako na sa no mani nyina no aboa ama sa problem na free honum. Nti issue but so do nipa na wo de akoma pa ne odo ebe try so be settle sa asemwe na bibia akọ to bibia was saying to. Thank you.
Let me Elizabeth Osramai. Say be awa wale woni wukunete. Na uhu atinka bi wano ho a. Nya ade a obeka no bedwep de sa. Mu mienu ntem asem te woni na beka no boko e wadem. Oti ase a na wape eduro bi ama no na we yusu. Na bibia aye okay. So my dream
If you are in love with a person, you just have to look for solution for whatever predicament she's in. So there are various ways of treating halitosis or whatever body odor that's diagnosed of a person. So once the person is your partner that you are looking for to get married to in the near future, once there is a solution, I think it's possible you might be able to find a solution for such a person. You don't necessarily have to ignore her just because of her condition. So in conclusion, the idea of your partner getting a body odor doesn't mean you should ignore her or you should dump her for another person.
Issue idi ano den kakra. Sa wakwakoto sa issue we mu obeye den. Enu na ma abonte sofo so abeka yen we ha ya chi adwenche. Now coming back on, let's see prevention. How we can prevent niema bi say. Titu sa wakro bitwa adwene siswa. There are common remedies bia ye nim no efie mu ayetimi use, but there are more nti enye adwenche. Mimi, okay. You were talking before I left.
Yes. So, Nyampesa Metren Sisi and say remedies are you bet me you see a war bano. And was the things that can cause you odors now ya can't One of the things is we were talking about how to clean your butt. You clean your butt backwards, not forward. Because you clean it forward, that some of the feces would enter you and you are not aware. And it will ebe fermented.
Yeah.
Na assessant sense na what area ho na what the nam what they call ukunu bi ho and our partner bi wo unnim, but it's because of maybe anopa number 2 na ye no when clean ho ye na the sense na bre wanumbre no and no ye 1 2. One of the things you need to do, always keep soft care, a baby wipes and then adult type of wipes that are used for females. One thing is that when you do a number 2, after using the dry tissue no, use a wet one, because wet one no a bit clean Another thing is that as a woman, just always keep wet wipes on you. Sometimes you're sweaty between our thighs. So onyoma around the day. Then you feel your thighs are wet. Excuse yourself, go to a washroom and use your wet tissue to clean in between your thighs. Now, because it always keeps you. You are wet. Like heat.
Now to an nipa no jina also. Now untimi nkanche no say ma fans. Also sri. What you say? O ben o jina also o peja ne sano. Yes.
Baba.
Ena mi so no pa so. Ye de me call baby ma. Sister fie bi akọ asade ene tie kan body odor na aba mitrim. Sister bi ode mi tito ne na so body. We fit da. Inti amame me akasa me wo ho a. Me teacher time na your locations no. I'm not lying to you. Why you suit toilet be on call soda. Sometimes to wani a you feel crank on you so also me wani now you so. Sometimes one kwatena baby into one cause out to one who say and then they say 2 mika was in mu asene and temper no a me them to the draws me no location. And temper na no akọ wipe nsuo sachet water no. Me just so baby anu makoto no ahoro no so some draws. No, mama, because Obi who say that's very day happened. And as I did na day.
Or the better ni team say sana out.
Or the better say the make us say fitting crab. Say I no. Me tell ya na me ni akoka sister na me ti da na so. Me tell ya na akoka de no obo me ti no. Inti titu ye nipa ho adwuma no. Yesel so won so bi was side na find a way. Na catch nipa like I did to the waitress. And this I feel so why any pan bonnet.
With the mouth odor, no. One thing is that you should always have to keep a gum with you. Gum best solve problems is and a mouth spray. But yeah, for the moment you are in the midst of the people, who could fear no could solve it. When you have that, like we are not, it's not in our culture to keep those things in our bag. People just think that they are clean. Or now, or no feel so clean, or feel good, or feel so clean. But there are moments as a human being, yeah. So have your gum, have your mouth spray, have your wipes and all that. In a moment. Now I can refresh in the midst of the people, or else, like she's saying, we create perceptions among one who say we create.
Excellency, I think we should know the right products are edgy and so.
Okay.
Because obi wo honoma maybe or you see product we engine no.
And so
still now I mean ageno. Well, into some of the products, so we should know say we na ebegene and now say we engine.
Not just the products, yeah. So Oshakasa, Nana, Mokrafa Boche Bay, August, say Aboche, when said Aboche tie. Aboche say Adiasa, na pin at that form near so sweet light abu. And this and say car, never gana. A car with a light in it and shiny obwa. Street, you know, and a dark. Sanet dross, singlet, simis, boxes, bonini ye. According to the weather, a shown the no, sa
a more fabric.
Bonino, dross now, or sheno, winter, and you travel both the new first line near Cantamount and it's a whole sha. A summer, a winter dross.
No,
and I would the ocean Ghana to the time you sweat and to over sweaty.
Excellencies. Sometimes, you know, you may your partners and get too close. At least, maybe partner, for instance. Sometimes, so to meet you to say. And you're number one.
And I say,
and a baby, you pumped,
number two, to meet the meet now. No way, what me name, no way, you me. Oh, to me, all right.
And some will be
the honor pay.
And you
never you as well, yeah.
What won't mean?
Introduce
you to not chimney.
That's how you're saying.
Oh, man, koto.
Say Jesus Christ.
No way, you me.
Oh, yeah, mammy, I'm here. Say,
oh, you have me, yes. Oh, no, I said, I saw the number could be sack on your once I say, no, I say, no, you.
Aha, Jesus. Why is it? No one ever home to us. So I you must, madam.
Every know.
Or to me,
okay. When I
get, I only say no.
I jealous.
Me sometimes me need problem.
Yeah.
They be clean.
They be clean.
Because yes,
where you need that? Oh, where you need that? Now where you need that? You do me with me, you know. Where you are.
You see, for a typical example, we say easy.
Me say, I tell you, I'm afraid you are.
No, at all, no.
Na etrebia. Etrebia me fe adwuma me no. Na ebia me refi sese bi esa na adwuma me kwakoda no. Me twimse. Tibo say ya. Wonu mbo so na potwitwim sin wonu mbo.
Someone that wants
na che. Wonu we ba beda hwan chen.
And they normal say what na.
Wo say me so na me de mani wu akakose ba fo.
Onya obeda. You will tell me say afa obeda no wa ba go twitwa.
Tell bia me kese oba. Afa be no ma kai je. Ya be oba be jia ba.
Na me na me sama na ma wa. Na me wo Oko chinchi wuchimba.
Emeso mi mu.
Na wunware ya, onampa ne so bi. Enti me yet asbabo nim. No, me baby I want like mom ko chinchi me mama ne na baby.
But it's good.
No, when you come home, we've all bathed in the house. Why have you not bathed that you are coming to sleep on the bed? Enter your room. Into the oba na mpa no mpa the hall.
Okay, I dare.
So no ba wa done the hall. Oh, it's me direct ganti. Why now be so no
I be perfume so there jirija.
Almost
very spray phone.
No, Nana, we make it point to perfumes be wa mo to they solve the problem, but you are rather worsening it. And yeah, papa, and
I'm a form of
oh, and I'll call
especially when we want Bema Bessia, Bema Pano, Apollo, was so could be swat. It's true.
If it's skin not
no goes up to chemicals, shampoo.
Yes, I don't know. So I don't person ko Poland na. Omenya na enkoje Poland.
Depending na yen say. Abo preko. One ne abo baako a de bia ye ka asem to no so.
Ane.
Ba otimi nyina no nti no.
Okay.
Ye de to no so. Preko de ye fin. Preko de ye fin.
Evil.
Me kwasem ne say preko nye fin.
No eden.
Okay. Emo nyina preko. One na na we dia no.
Enchi fin.
Dry. Enti or easily dehydrated. Enti time bia preko onya atache open moist.
That's why they put them in the atache.
Enti any wrong abroche fa ne to atache. Amo abuo no your sprinkler every 15 minutes na sprinkler go mo ho na akuli omo but so one provide
I say
ensuo bia say ya ball ensuo eye de
African dog didi baby
oderobetum
abrochi obi nyen dog wa sika osan no no ose wa boa no enti no sana kwakwa enti Africa de atacha no bedem
Obama be president of America no not the most popular member of Obama's family then the Crime your date of birth your name mame your hospital baby wo no ni nyina wo ho
oh what then
that is how serious they are about life and me omu de enka no ebetimi ekumu kwate be ma buja okofesi yesu say na bono sentini bi wo ho a enya ya ase ebi enufu ase
nufu ase
is not that strong
but scent e ma ni bi wo ho a almost sweaty ni nufu no soso
omo big
o dware a onya da jin pejanjare ase edware so e formula
it's very important
to dware me say nipa ben mo wo ba o to bo dware to bo twitwe se
wahia obi a o kasa ho a ne hunu nyi eba ne na no soro hada
anjo no
hwe so credit share machine pharmacist ene hunu ho ne pe obetumi aye na me kwa me duru bi na me hwe me de na me hu a scissors anofia no ye ne me nyam ho abotre eno obi ene ho no abepia me tim di shema ketwa no de kaka kocha uye na de tissue from abon say yi fa mesra mo yenyi ehunim yenyi ehunim you hunim
ana wo ha
e serious
case wo ha e wo ma no wa fa won sa sei wa say
wapo
na
we say na wa nkasa what cent no nkwa obi ani no aye na what cent ni say de etie self examination very important gum bleeding at the mouth odor eba moja bon and this o brush na no ye den na o choose na ekotiti gum no na moja eba at the scent eba onu brush ni bi ha no den
ano den we choose
ebe pie baby
anyway
na edenka aba onu but me so enka won ho me gina eye backyard ha backyard na me gina o so me kana wenti e ba front yard enti backyard ano ye ka kire wo se so obi timi nya kokodro be ka kire wo se bra sister enka wo num enka wo ho a maba obunfu sa nipa no one nipa odo watimi aka no kura mu odu na kire wo tie no asopam na mesrew tuhu anamon ponam kankan enumuka ayaseka nkakaka ye na se ni nyina ye ka
ni nya ye kaka na
kaka na de ne kaka tutu no adabraka onfa ho ne dwanama ye che free
eso se asemi awo ken me
but o mumia fa ya
madam fobi
madam
fobi e de anya aware because say oshia emema bebre o hana ne ho won kan won me kan che ne say ne ho won kan beautiful girl nice girl who na we pe no but tutum say emema bia ne ne nya kan ta na o ma dwane ko eti the moment am to me catch ne say O problem ni shena solve. I was solve it. And even 3 months I know obi worry.
Hallelujah.
Okay.
And even 3 months I know.
Inti na say udo obi di osa oka.
Yes, so to me I want to be
and said yeah sorry be kan so no. Se odofo bi mia nani ebe kwan so ka bibi sa
don't take
chewa.
offense.
Tie na so pemu. Na sometimes you see the otwasa no. Onim se na chia.
Nsisi achia.
Ani. Inti no Nana, Monies, last word.
The last word I say me hu say ni kwan say wo say wo pesi bread man. And mo be boa ne da no kwa ko jene ni makoka because me for instance makoka bi ma asema ba de. They be am try to prevent some mess of more than me ba be jene wani ma ba.
Na ba so be say na.
Me so ba meto am.
They say
obu ha o ko che ni rolo na.
Maybe so say dey nti na o che mi rolo.
Every one in where say the mimi kekan na me no brashi bom. Na wo yi me na me yiu.
I don't mean a sense of me you are. No boating bembo, sense of me you are. No, South Africa, that sense of me you.
I know about me you are. No, me you are MC.
Get out. It's you.
Me find nice means and ways gina my culture because I think say a better tough say make me have just a culture trust to say na me stop any me kind you know you'll find some way when you no be dry any at the idea and I mean because me some brands be on me use so engine but intimidating in your mabia me use so engine to say na sorry back I know onipa hu bia wonka nti eno de to de bi kra o hwe ohun ye o ye udware o ye sa enoma ni nyina ba still
yeah
na e wo ho nti you know so enye medic health related issue I think say I was say ohun
that's together.
Nana, point of information. Some can Senzo Mayua. Okay, so Senzo Mayua was born on 24th January 1984. Not a Bob Bafana. Yeah, any professional footballer. Senzo Mayua. Anti Mayua.
Wow.
Mayua.
Manyak mahame ho.
Hanan komo.
Na obi a bia ye real, obi a che na dwene ho. Abusafo said ye ka no. Ye tena na ye ka asem bia. Also betumi ai dey your research about it. To say mouth odor no. E dangerous. Because ho na nipa no be hia no wakasa. Ansa na wa ben ho. Ako hu de tuamu wa ha na wo sa 3 problems ne dia we enye so bi na go so unya medical assistant so unya medical attention pa esa e be dangerous nti ye dia no besi wa ha na answer na ye be kono Nana pa fa holy bread na adofo enhia pa cho ne de marinam we de mayiwa marinam Mr. Mayiwa
Mayua. Senzo Mayua.
Nti pa cho bi esu na obi anyi holy ba ko ene
holy way.
Holy at that top. Holy.
Eviam.
Arab money.
Na ebo adwuma so.
Arab money.
Me use be that Kameka say me use that ba me
use wa.
Na top
Obo timber.
About Orlando Pirates.
Yeah. And next time the best sport why? Yes. Your body no actually.
Yeah, about Orlando. Na only Ghana for South Africa no.
Aye.
And now I'm introduce omu to Mandela. Na place ne bobo mu di Sule no aboni din from her na Samoja abon obi aboni there. And a drew akwaba akosoliade. Aboni so from Chelsea. I Sule say basa kasebrekum Chelsea.
And that's not Bobby.
Ọjọ́ ìgbà sàmásà kàṣẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀
Broken jersey.
Sɛ wonya selection no for broken jersey.
Bẹ́ẹ̀kú ala ọbẹ̀sẹ̀ Mandela fan so akọ̀wé
Chelsea Orlando.
so ebi masa kyerẹ́ mu yẹ.
Asɛmpa na sɛ
Asɛmpa.
Nana wɔ.
Oh, Asɛmpa. Na tẹ̀ntẹ̀ fọ.
Meda mo nyinaa ase. Abusuafoɔ ɛnɛ topic minim sɛ wo so do chefa ana comment ebegu e video yase e wo YouTube. Enti bomodia na ka kyerɛ obi sɛ backyard kitchen aba. Emre bi bɛba ensɛm bi wɔ no bɛhia wo yɛ doctor, wo yɛ lawyer, obi bia e bɛba w'anim sɛ ehia wɔn bia. We are mobile na bra e fa de nkyerɛ bɛbɔ dwumadie so. Yɛda mo nyinaa ase bɛhyia na ɔtwen sɛnɛ. Yɛde aseda e ma ɛyɛ holy insecticide spray, high sense, Syntestan, and a mind life insurance. Yada munyi na se bishara ɔtwen sɛ MiPROMO me da ase.